2, 1, picture time and video. Hello!
Hi.
How's it going?
Yeah.
I see you have a harness on. There's a beautiful blue skies. There's a plane right there. What are we doing today?
Skydiving.
Yes, skydiving.
On my birthday.
Awesome, bro.
Best birthday gift ever.
Sick.
Yeah, man.
Who idea was this? Come here and jump out of the plane.
Wifey.
Oh, she's the
Yeah, she
troublemaker.
surprised me. Yeah.
Awesome. So you ready for this, brother?
Yeah, full adrenaline.
Yeah?
Let's go now.
Awesome. Well, say hello, friends and family back home. Let's go push you out of the plane.
Yeah.
Yee-hoo.
Let's do this.
Cheers, guys. Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Yee-hoo.
John, man. Welcome back. Look at the camera, big smile. Oh my God. One, big smile. How was that, man? That was amazing. That was pretty cool, huh?
Trust me, it was amazing, full adrenaline.
You want to do it again?
Definitely. Yeah, man.
Thanks, man. Thank you very much for jumping with us.
Yeah, thank
Big
you.
smile and happy birthday, hey?
Yeah, thank you.
Yes,
Best
good
birthday
job, man.
gift ever.
Yeah, man, that was
Yeah.
pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Now the
That's my
question
beautiful
is,
wife.
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah,
Let's do it again.
definitely.
Awesome, brother. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, man.